Ayaneo, a company that has made a name for itself in the world of gaming by producing Windows-powered handheld gaming PCs, made a significant stride in its product portfolio in July, with the launch of its first Android-based handheld gaming console. This innovative device, known as the Ayaneo Pocket Air, has garnered much attention and enthusiasm from gamers and tech enthusiasts alike. What's more, the company's decision to introduce the product through an Indiegogo campaign in early September has only added to the anticipation. One of the standout features of the Ayaneo Pocket Air is its impressive 5.5-inch 1080p AMOLED display. This display boasts wide viewing angles and a remarkable color gamut range, delivering a visually stunning gaming experience. With this level of display quality, gamers can immerse themselves in their favorite titles with vivid and lifelike graphics. Under the hood, the Ayaneo Pocket Air is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 1200 CPU, a high-performance chipset developed to handle the demands of modern gaming. Customers can choose from memory configurations of either 6 or 8 gigs, LPDDR5 RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking and gameplay. Storage options are also flexible, with choices of 128 or 256 gigs UFS 3.1, allowing users to store a substantial library of games and multimedia content. Ayaneo has paid attention to both style and functionality in the appearance of the Pocket Air. The device sports an elegant retro white color scheme, giving it a distinctive and sophisticated appearance. To ensure optimal performance during extended gaming sessions, it incorporates an X8-level air-cooled cooling system. This cooling system efficiently dissipates heat, preventing overheating and maintaining peak performance. One of the key concerns for gamers on the go is battery life, and Ayaneo has addressed this with a substantial 7350 mAh battery. This generous capacity ensures that gamers can enjoy extended gaming sessions without worrying about running out of power. Gamers can also take advantage of the device's fast charging capabilities through its USB Type-C port. Connectivity options on the Ayaneo Pocket Air are comprehensive, catering to a wide range of user needs. It features a full-featured USB 3.2G and 2 Type-C port for high-speed data transfer and external accessories. Additionally, USB Type-C charging port simplifies recharging the device. A 3.5mm headphone jack allows users to connect their favorite gaming headsets for an immersive audio experience. For those who need additional storage or SIM card support, the device offers slots for nano SIM and microSD cards. Furthermore, the inclusion of a fingerprint reader integrated into the power key enhances security and convenience. The Ayaneo Pocket Air runs on Android 12, providing access to a vast ecosystem of apps and games. To enhance the user experience, the device features a customized desktop launcher called iSpace, which streamlines access to gaming content and applications. The Ayaneo Pocket Air offers an enticing range of configurations, ensuring that gamers can choose the one that best suits their needs and preferences. With 3 distinct models, each catering to a different level of performance and storage requirements, Ayaneo has provided options for a wide spectrum of gaming enthusiasts. As for the prices, 6 and 128 gigs storage for $300, 8 and 256 gigs storage for $380 and 12 and 512 gigs storage for $460 during crowdfunding. With its combination of impressive hardware, stylish appearance, and thoughtful features, the Ayaneo Pocket Air represents a promising addition to the world of handheld gaming consoles. The successful Indiegogo campaign and early shipping of units to customers highlight the excitement and demand for this Android-based gaming device, further solidifying Ayaneo's reputation as an innovator in the gaming industry. Gamers can now look forward to an immersive and powerful gaming experience in the palm of their hands with the Ayaneo Pocket Air. Thanks for watching. I can also recommend other videos on my channel about game consoles. Also subscribe. Have a nice day, and luck will definitely be on your side.